In this vlog, we will see how to make a local notification in your Flutter application. So generally when you are designing any application where you want to show the status of the current task, so the better option is to use a notification. So a notification will be popped up onto the screen showing your current task like music player, or you are having a call in background running so you can show the status of the call, or you are downloading a file, or any kinds of task where you want to show, where you want to display a notification in the notification tab. So this example will guide you through the easiest way of implementing a local notification in your Flutter application. So here the first thing is we need to add the dependency here, flutter underscore local underscore notifications, and here I have not specified any version number. So depending upon your app requirement you may specify the version number, and if not also it's not a big deal. So here let us start with our void main here. So here in void main we have provided our material app here. So and also in the home of material app we have declared a class my app which is extending a stateful widget here. So here we are creating a state for it, and we are also declaring a variable here, flutter notification plugin here. So this is a flutter local notification plugin which we have added in our dependency, and for which we have created an object here, and we will be initializing this object in the init state of the program. So here you can see for Android we have provided a image also for an icon, and for the iOS it's a default settings, and we have initialized both Android and iOS here. And also we have initialized our local object, that is local notification plugin object here. So now on select notification, so we will see in the output how it will be working when you select a notification. So now let us try to design a small UI here so that there will be a button, and when you tap on the button the notification will be popped up onto the screen. So what will be having the details of the notification are like in Android we are having a channel ID, channel name, and also a description here. And also you can set the priority here, like priority high, normal, and low here, and importance here. And for the iOS there are again the default settings here, and here we are providing the notification details for the either of the platforms here. And here you can see this is the details which we are showing in our notification. So this is a heading, new notification from local notification is a subheading, and here is the message. So now let us try to see the output once. So here is a screen, and when you tap on the button, tap to get a notification, then here you can see you got a new tutorial and local notifications as the heading and subheading here. So now see how it will work. So when you get a notification and when you tap on the notification, you get this particular dialog showing your message here, so which we have specified in our show notification method. So this is regarding the on selection. When you select a notification this particular task will be accomplished, and not only this, in your real time whenever you want to move the user to a screen, for example you got a message on your application, so whenever the user taps on the notification you can divert the user to the chat screen, or if there are any offers applicable in your application you can directly make the user go to the screen where the offers are being displayed. So like this you can make use of this on selection notification and can divert the user depending upon your notification requirement. And depending upon, you can also show the images here. You can just like any other application where an image pops up in the notification, you can provide the images and also the icons. So this is as a basic tutorial I want to provide you of how a local notification works in a Flutter. And also if you can see, we have also done a tutorial previously on Flutter notifications which is using Firebase. So the code is, so the link for the tutorial is provided top in the card, and also in the description section I am providing the link. So go through the tutorial. If you are having any doubts, do let me know in the comment section below, and the code for this tutorial is available in the description section below. And if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content on Flutter.